to my channel Extra Subject. Seventh in parts of speech is conjunction. Conjunctions are words that used to connect words, phrases, and clauses in a sentence. They are used to indicate relationship between different parts of a sentence. There are two types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect two or more equal grammatical importance, such as two nouns, two verbs, or two independent clauses. Coordinating conjunctions are and, but, for, yet. Example: Mahesh stood first and got a prize. Subordinating conjunctions, on the other hand, connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. Example: because, although, if, since, before, when, and while. Example: I trust him because he is a trustworthy person. Conjunction can also be used in pairs. Example: either or, neither nor, not only but also. Conjunctions help to link ideas together. Next is interjection, eighth and last one in parts of speech. Interjections are words or phrases used to express strong emotions, feelings, or reactions in a sentence. Interjections are often used in informal or conversational language, and they are not grammatically connected to the rest of the sentence. A video is already made regarding do's and don'ts while writing an official letter. Anyone interested may watch that video for information. Interjections can be used to express wide range of emotions. Example: oh, oops, hey. With this video, parts of speech is completed. Thanks for watching my video. Please support me by like, share and subscribe my channel.